Hi, this is Kerry Artak with Wicked Stocks, bringing you your daily NVIDIA report for Tuesday, August 27th, 2024. But before we check out the charts, I just want to ask you to please click like, share, subscribe, and check out wickedstocks.com, where we offer a full suite of both daily and weekly analytical videos, just like the daily Tesla and daily NVIDIA reports, daily analysis in the SPY, daily analysis in the Triple Q, weekly analysis in the S&P 500 index, the NASDAQ 100 index, and Apple stock, as well as 2 individual stock picks a week that you never see on YouTube that cater to the 3 to 5 week swing trader out to the 3 to 5 month near-term investor, always looking for 20% moves or more on those underlying stocks. And you get to see all of this for free. We offer a 5-day free trial up front. So check out wickedstocks.com. Let's take a look at the charts. I'm going to start with this daily chart here just to, this sort of shows the buy signal that occurred over a week ago, almost 2 weeks ago, above this descending two-thirds speed line that is now well below the market at 115.41, then indicating and still indicating 140.76 as a 2 to 3 week objective. We are almost 2 weeks into that, not quite, and 154.66 in reach over the next couple of months. If over the next week or so we close above 140.76, we're just another couple of weeks away from reaching the 154.66 objective. So we have, though, most recently been in this sort of congestive framework. And, we've got a rising channel bottom that we settled just below on Monday, that today is at 129.72. And we have the high settlement price, the high settlement price that was put out over a week ago at 130 even. So this is a less than a 30-cent range that may well contain daily buying pressures. If you look at this chart over the last few days, you have a key reversal high from last Thursday, new pullback high following the August low, closing back below the previous day's low. No follow through to the downside. We popped back up near 130 again. And then yesterday we pushed to an even new high once again, beyond the high from last Thursday, and we closed negative on the day. It wasn't a key reversal. It would have been a key reversal had we closed below Friday's low, but that didn't happen. In any event, 129.72 to 130 even can contain daily highs. 3 to 5 day swing traders, if you want to play the short side down to 115.41, I think you can. I do like, though, at least paying some respect to this 123.86 short-term channel bottom. Because we closed just below this 129.72 channel support, and also really primarily because we're still in kind of a longer-term buy signal above 115.41. So if you're looking at this picture, the fact that we closed above 115.41 almost 2 weeks ago is of far greater significance in terms of the likelihood for continued gains as we move into and through September trade than the settlement that occurred on Monday below the 129.72 area. This is a short-term sell signal in the midst of a kind of a mid-term buy signal. And so you could say that it's actually a counter-trend sell-off if it were to occur. And I think in terms of the likelihood of that playing out, it is more well-defined below 123.86. So 123.86 can contain intraday selling pressures. This is a solid day trade for anybody buying 123.86, selling 129.72, and vice versa. You can play the short side at 129.72 and take profits at 123.86. If we break 123.86, 120.16 is likely today. I don't show that here, but I'm going to use, let's see, I will show, bear with me, sorry about all that. I will use this chart to show you what 120.16 is. You've got a two-thirds speed line at 105.14. The one-third speed line is about like this, and it comes in at 120.16 today. But I think if you put it all together, and it's always sort of weighing this against that, the fact that we've been unable to push through substantially and close above 130 even, the fact that we settled Monday just below the 129.72 formation is a sign of short-term bearishness. And I think that is the emphasis right now. Breaking 123.86, 120.16 in reach, where we can place a daily low. And if we close below 120.16, 115.41 is likely tomorrow. But I will say, I think you can see the down pivot here. holding below 129.72. 3 to 5 day swing traders, I say this ever so carefully, 115.41 is in reach. But, obviously, if you're selling the upper 120s, low 130s, you want to keep a relatively a tight stop, because closing above this area at 130 even does aggressively pivot the market north through the rest of the week. So this is our pivot area through the rest of the week. We are below it, 120.16 likely over the next day or two, 115.41 in reach by the end of the week, where we could bottom out through next week, quite possibly through September trade, and from there we can round up back up to 140.76 within 2 to 3 weeks, 154.66 within a couple of months. If we were, and this is, I'm going to say this ever so quickly, and that is to say that if we were over the next few days to close below 115.41, I'm not comfortable anticipating, say, the upper 80s unless we were to then close below 105.14. So what I like about this, what I don't like about it right now is it is so wide. It's 10 points wide. But what I do like about it is they are converging on one another, and over the next full week, they converge into a single point. And so that it'll be in the low 110s, able to contain selling through September, and above which still anticipating higher trade through September. Upside, I'm simply going to say that let me put it this way. If we push through 130 even, I don't see us closing or opening above it, but we may. Whether it's pushing through 130 even or closing or opening above 130 even, 135.58 would be in reach today. And if we settle today above 130 even, no good reason to be short NVIDIA over the next 3 to 5 days. I would expect this 140.76 June high within 3 to 5 days of closing above 130 even. We can double top at 140.76 for a week. So your 3 to 5 day swing trader right now, a 3 to 5 day swing trade, is being cautiously short, below 129.17, anticipating 115.41. But this is not going to happen today. So on the way down, you've got 123.86. You also have 120.16. 120.16 is weighted as a session containment level only for the day itself. All right. And in fact, if we were to break 123.86, test 120.16 today, and close below 123.86, just know I will likely then reverse 123.86 to a session containment ceiling, with 120.16 then a mere intraday support. I hope that made sense, because I am anticipating the possibility of 115.41 over the next 3 to 5 days, holding below that 129.72 area. And certainly if we close below 123.86 and you are short the market right now expecting 115.41, just stay short. You might even add to it, expecting 115.41 within several days. One more time, if we close above 130 even, no good reason to be short NVIDIA as we move through the rest of the week, 140.76 likely within about 3 to 5 days, where we could double top on a weekly basis, and if settled above, should then yield our longer-term objective at 154.66 within another couple of weeks. It remains 154.66, a big picture 1 to 2 month target above 115.41. I'm going to leave it at that. Please click like, share, subscribe. Check out wickedstocks.com. We offer a 5-day free trial and everything, and that includes daily triple Q, daily SPY analysis. That includes 2 stock picks a week. In fact, last week we did 3. So you've got loads of good data, good information, good trade recommendations, and I'm going to leave it at that. I'll be back tomorrow with Wednesday's NVIDIA report. You have a great day.